Uh, Later, I'll gonna post an assignment where you can you can turn in the link of your document. Okay? So, type ko dito para di makalimutan. Notepad. So online, I'm gonna check the content of your title proposal, no? But you need to create your own link. So meaning, gagawa tayo dito ng instruction. So create a folder in your Google Drive. Per group to ha, per group. You follow? This is per group. Yan. Per group, you need to create, number one, create a folder in your Google Drive. And then inside your folder, upload your title proposal document. Ito, the number two instruction, title proposal document. Upload your title proposal document. Let's try to open your title proposal document. Di ba? This is how it looks like. Ito. Kung titignan nyo, wala siyang proper margin yata. Oo, ito. So, what you need to do is to download the third instruction, which is the chapter 1, 2, and 3, para lang gumanda yung format nito. Kasi itong title proposal, medyo, ayan o, sabog yung format. No? Download nyo lang yung 1, 2, 3 so you can use the proper format dito. Yung margin, header, ayan. Did you follow, class? But in short, what I'm trying to check online is the title proposal document. So, what's the content of your title proposal? Ito yon. Ito. So, at least, siguro kung hindi kayo sigurado for one title, siguro ano kayo, no? In one document, siguro gawin yung mga three three title, no, or two title propose. Titignan ko kung alin doon yung pasok, no? Kung hindi pa kayo nalito. But of course, that title comes from your related literature after you do the readings. Eh di ba binigyan ko na kayo ng time, how many weeks was that? I told you to do the readings. So perhaps meron na kayong nagawa ngayon na title proposal. So it's about time now for you to create a Google Drive per group inside your Google Drive. Si group leader ang gagawa ng Google Drive, and then you need to share that Google Drive to your members, no? Ayan. And then number three, ito, share. Marunong naman yata kayong mag-share, di ba? Right-click nyo lang yung folder, and then right-click yung folder, click nyo yung share, and then add the email of your group members. Same as well as yung email ko para ma-access ko yung folder ninyo. You follow? So, share your uh, share your Google Drive folder. Share the folder you created. Share the folder you created with Wait for a moment, parang nag-loss yung ano. Wait for a moment, na-lowbat lang. Okay. So, share the folder you created with your, yan, with your group mate, with your group members. And then, by, with your group members and sa akin din, ano, and me as your, hindi naman ako advisor ninyo, no? Because you will be having your own advisor, si Dean Alain. So, subject co-or. Ayan, subject co-or na lang. And me as your subject co-or. Ayan. By by coordinator. Ayan. By adding the institutional email. Share the folder you created with the group. So, ayan. Okay? So, ngayon, member number one, email. Ayan. I-add nyo doon pag nag-ano kayo. Tapos, member number two, email. Then, member number three, email. Okay? Member one, member two, member three, email. And then, the fourth one is subject ko or email. Ito yung sa akin. Subject ko or email. So, ito yung email ko. At plmoon.edu.ph. So, lahat ng group, okay? Lahat ng group, ito gagawin nyo. I-add nyo yung email ko doon sa share nyo na folder. Do you know already how to share your folder? Marunong na? Siyempre, no? Kasi nasa third year na kayo. So, right-click your folder, click share, and then enter mo yung email. Okay? Share your folder, select created with your group members, me as your subject coordinator, members, and me as your subject coordinator by adding the institutional email. So ito yung member 1 email, member 2 email. So yan. Ano yung member 2 email? Then member 1, yan yung ano, group leader ninyo. Member 2, then member 3. Then subject ko or ito yung sa akin. Okay? So paano i-share? Siguro naman, lagay natin dito. How to share. So to share the folder, yan, to share the folder, so steps. Ito yung steps natin. One, right click the folder. Then second, click share. Pagkatapos, number three, uh, enter the email. Yan. So ito yung ano. ito yung instructions on how are you going to share. To share the folder, right-click the folder, then click share, tapos enter the email. Pagkatapos, mayroon yata yun doon, done yata yun, done or ano. Teka lang, buksan ko muna dito. Um, Buksan ko muna in an actual. Ayun, done pala, done. Um, and then enter the email tapos number 4 is click done. Click done button. Ayan. And then make sure na sa akin gawin yung ano, editor, hindi viewer. You follow? So, i-assign niyo ako as editor. Sa gilid nun merong drop down. Ah, Gawin yung editor. Ah, as editor. So, I can comment with your document. Kasi pag hindi niyo ginawang editor, hindi ako makapag-comment sa document. You follow, class? Okay? So, now, going to post this one. Popost ko ito as instruction. Okay? So, assignment na tayo dito. Uh, Ayan. Ayan, ito yung instruction. Ate, quiz assignment na lang pala. Quiz assignment ito. Para makapag-turn in kayo. Ano? Ayan. Ito yung instructions. Tapos attach, no? Attach nyo yung link. Attach the link. Meaning, i-turn in nyo yung link ng Google Drive nyo. Attach the link of your Google Drive group uh, thesis thesis 1 folder. Did you follow, class? So, ito na yung pinaka-instructions niya. Ay, Yes, Baredo, you are raising your hand.
Good afternoon po. Meron po bang format para sa file name?
Sa file name, first or group representatives name first, pero una yung last name. Okay?
Okay po sir, thank you po.
Group leader muna. Okay? Group leader's name tapos cam group leader's name underscore member number 1 underscore member number 2. Ganon. Okay?
Puro surname lang po, no?
Hindi, kasama yung pangalan.
Okay po sir, thank you
Pero
po.
uumpisahan niyo ng ano, siguro ano, group, lagay nga ako dito ng ano, maglagay ako ng edit muna natin 'to. Group name format. Ano muna tayo dito? Lagay ako dito ng group name format. So for your group name format, last name. So first letter capital, tapos first name, first letter capital. Pero magkakadugtong, wag niyo lagyan ng space. You follow? So last name, first name ng leader. Ito. Ayan. Tapos underscore. Members last name, ayan. Capital letter ang una, tapos first name, capital letter, first letter. Para sa member number 2. So, member number 1. Underscore ulit para naman sa member number 2. Ayan. So, member number 2. So, yun yung format para mabilis natin ma-check. So, group name format, last name, first name. Pero yung every first letter, capital. Tapos, magkadugtong lang yon. Then, underscore every after one member. So, ganyan. After ng pangalan ng group leader, underscore. Tapos, last name ulit, first name, member number 1, underscore. Last name, first name, tapos member number 2. Follow? Okay? So, yes, Avenue.
Sir, i-clarify ko lang, yung sa group name na po yan, ano po yan, sa folder name or file name?
File name.
File name. Okay.
Sa file name niyo yan. Actually, group folder name na rin. Parehas nyo. Pangalan ng folder, pangalan na rin ng ano, pangalan na rin ng tawag dito, ng pangalan ng file name. Okay?
Okay. Thank you
Sige.
po.
Ayan. So, I am waiting for your turn in link, no? Bubuksan, babalik-balikan ko na lang 'yan. So, i-click ko na lang itong turn in kung may nagto-turn in na. Okay? So, dito ko 'yung naaabangan, yung mga turn in title ninyo. Ayan. Dito, ito, lalabas yan dito, then kiklik ko na lang. Okay? So, don't forget to follow the instruction. So, ito yon, attach, ayan. Attach the link of your Google Drive group thesis number 1. So, wala pala tayo, hindi pala kita dito, no? Hindi pala kita pag marami, mahaba. Ulitin na lang natin dito sa instructions. Yan. Ayan. Okay? Attach the link of your Google Drive group thesis 1 folder. I guess no, that's all for today. No, I am just waiting for the link that you will be posted later. So itong chapter 1, 2, and 3, wala pa yan. Gawin nyo muna yung title, proposal. And then after partially approved na yung title proposal niyo, then that's the time that you are going to work with your chapter 1, 2, and 3. You follow? So use your remaining time. Kaya kayo walang, hindi to kinaklase, no? Dinidiscuss what you're going to do, and then binibigyan kayo ng mga format, anong gagawin. So you can spend a lot of time doing the research, reading the related literatures, and then fixing your document. So this particular week is scheduled for you to fix your title proposal documentations, and then within this week, titignan ko yan kung may mga nagpasa na, and then by next week, doon na tayo i-collect ko na naman ngayon yung group members name per group naman para sa Excel, so we can schedule naman for your title proposal, and then while working on your chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So for that, thank you for joining. Don't forget to send the link using the attached assignment. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day and God bless us all.
Thank you, sir.